Hi there, Mads from Panasonic here to share tips and tricks for your Panasonic PDZs. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to become a PDZ master yourself. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Today I want to show you how to stream to YouTube through this Netgear M6 Pro 5G USB modem on the UE160. After this video, you will be ready to stream anywhere, anytime. Let's get started. First off, access the web interface of the UE160. Go to Settings, Network, USB. In my case, I will set DHCP to on. Go to DNS and set this to auto. Now I'm ready to connect my modem. Start off by connecting the supplied USB-C to USB-A cable between the modem and the UE160. Now check that the M6 USB modem shows one USB connection. Connect your PC to the same network over Wi-Fi or cable and open EasyIP Setup Tool Plus. Search for the UE160 and enter the web GUI. Click Setup, go to Video over IP, Streaming Mode and choose RTMP and click Set. Click on Server Setup and choose Type 2. Now let's go and set up the YouTube stream. Copy the YouTube stream address and the stream key and paste them in the server URL and the stream key box and click Set. Now go to Streaming Format. Click RTMP Transmission On. Set the profile type to Main. Select Variable Bitrate. Set frame rate to 25 FPS and set the max bitrate to 4 megabits and click Set. Now go to the live page and click Start in the bottom right corner of the window. And now we are streaming on YouTube. When I want to stop my stream, I can just click on the same button that now says Stop. So this is how easy it is to set up a USB modem to the UE160 and start streaming on YouTube or other streaming platforms. Until next time, take care.